Good afternoon. Today I'm across from Obnob again at this boat ramp. I think it's going to be my last time I get to fish here this year. They closed the road coming in here until April. So it'll probably be the last time I get to stop here until then. I think I'm going to try something a little different I haven't tried in a while. Try to see how many different species of fish I can catch in one day. I think we stand a fair chance today. See what we can catch. Little tiny one. Little green sunfish, I believe. Yep. Super small. See you, bud. Hey, not a bad one. Easy, bud. Gotcha. We'll see ya. Got one on here. Don't feel really big though. Little guy. He swallowed it though. Ooh. Little one. Let me see you, buddy. Let's try to get back in there and get. There we go. I think this is something different. Whoa. Big old panfish here. Man, wow. What is that, a red ear? It's gotta be. Yeah. Phew. That's a big one. A big one. Go ahead and let him go. Oh, see you, buddy. Ooh. Got one on. I'm not sure how big it is. Not huge. Come here, buddy. Ooh, that was fun though. Another one. I'll see you, buddy. There we go. Ooh. Oh, it's not a bad one. See if I can get that out of you, buddy. There we go. Popped right out. Phew. Oh, we love him. Yeah. Nice. See you, bud. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go ahead and call it a day here for now. Ended up catching 5 species today, though. That was about 2 more than I thought I was gonna get. I thought for sure I'd get 3. Did a little bit better. If you had a good time with me, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I put out new fishing videos every Sunday. Thanks for watching.